First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about maybe one or two fair uses of important. In body section, we will use open heading level 1 and close the heading level 1 heading. Heading maybe one or two fair uses of important. Underneath heading level 1, we will use the P element in body section. Open P element and close the P element. In between P element, we will use dummy text just for learning. Copy, paste into paragraph. Copy all dummy text just for learning. Copy and paste into paragraph, and we will use hyperreference in between text. A tag, open hyperreference equal double quotes close, and first link space and close the tag A. Now we will use development, open development and close the development. In between developments, we will use P element paragraph, open P element and close the P element. In between P elements, we will use dummy text just for learning. In between this text paragraph, we will use hyperreference. A tag, open hyperreference equal double quotes, and second link and close A tag. And as it is, we will use third paragraph, and paste underneath this paragraph. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use, this is the first link and second link and third link. Change its number, sorry. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use style on this paragraph and hyperreference. Now we will use the internal CSS. In head section, we will use open style tag and close the style tag. In between style tag, we will use period factor and B use, B in short form button, and we will use background color border. First use border column 1px solid black semicolon, and this B tag we will use in developments, inside development. So we will use in after A tag class attribute use equal double quotes and B selector using double quotes. As it is, we will use in second link, so class attribute use equal double quotes and B selector sit in double quotes. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Second and third. Now we will use color, use background color. We will use green semicolon, save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page, and text color also change, color colon white semicolon, and use padding column 5px. After that, save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. And then as you can see, we created a special look for all buttons on a page. Here buttons are styled with the green color, background color, and white text. Open Notepad++, and now we will use the period character use and my reference a open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces we will use CSS property and property value, background color use, and background color colon orange semicolon. Now we will use this selector and period factor use in development. Last we will use equal double quotes and my reference, and save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Adding colon 5px and color white semicolon. And one way to use important is if you have to override a style that cannot be overridden any other way. This could be if you are working on a content management system CMS and cannot edit the CSS code. We remove this class attribute which we used in class button, and use out of div in p hyperreference. So we use hyperreference in class attribute use equal double quotes, and we use the button short form in b we used in internal CSS in head section. If we want, so we use the important exclamation mark and important this border important use on div in development. So we use this exclamation mark important, and again this color white use 1 2, and important, and padding also use exclamation mark and important use. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. To force all buttons to have the same look no matter, but we can add the important tool to the properties of the B, like period character and B use. As you can see, we use the period character and selector use in short form, button only B use.